She gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. We lost him also.
Hey! Jesus!
I don't die, my friend.
Doctor! Mama don't die! The baby don't die!
It's a prank! A big prank. I just had to prank you guys to just play with your minds. Yes.
My mama died alive.
She's alive.
The kid died alive.
The child is also alive.
Doctor, stop this rubbish. Which kind of play be that one now, eh?
I'm sorry.
Stop all these things, though.
Let's go.
What's up, my people? On a day, it's your boy OBIKING, and I'm back again with what I do best, comedy reaction. So guys, make sure to watch the very end, because this is gonna be fun, like very, very funny. You understand? Just stick to the very end, drop nice comments, share this video. You understand me? So don't play, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Doctor.
Sabinus, doctor. Sabinus, doctor.
Doctor, how my sister they do with the pikin now? Talk now, eh?
Doctor. That's my wife now.
Doctor, talk now. How my mama there now?
We tried our best. Unfortunately, we lost her.
Jesus.
Doctor,
Doctor, na lie. Doctor, where my mama?
She gave birth to a bouncing baby boy.
Wow.
We lost him also.
Jesus!
I don't die, my friend.
Doctor!
Baba don't go.
Mama don't die! The baby don't die!
It's a prank!
Doctor,
A big prank. I just had to prank you guys to just play with your minds. Yes.
my mama died alive.
She's alive.
The kid died alive.
The child is also alive.
Doctor, stop this rubbish. Which kind of play be that one now, eh?
I'm sorry.
Stop all these
I
things.
feel like that man don't buy you.
Okay, stop that rubbish, oh. Papa Mo goes, na prank.
The man don't buy.
Papa, let's go.
Daddy!
the man no dey breathe again.
The man don't buy.
Doctor!
Does prank kill?
Are you kidding out? Hey, the same way when you prank and when you die, you go prank and like that, make you come back alive, oh.
Papa, it's a prank!
Doctor, you don't kill my mama! Papa!
Don't prank me now. We're in the hospital now. Don't do this now.
Doctor! You go prank person with the high BP.
That's BP. Why did you bring him here?
Any head you take bring back my papa now, eh, with that same prank. Better do amo.
Shay! Wake up. Wake up. He's not breathing again. He's dead.
Your client, Chairman, how far now?
I know your wife is there, right? Just calling to let you know that I forgot my wig on top of your bed and I need you to return it to me.
How could you have forgotten your land in another man's land? I mean, you're such a careless client. But, Chairman, how much you buy this property?
It's 1.2 million naira.
Jesus.
Oh.
It's whatever you can do to get it to me.
No cause for alarm. We'll talk to government about it.
Oh, babe, thank you so much for the hair. I love it. You know, you're so romantic. Look at the way you left it on the bed for me. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I overheard you talking about a property. Do your clients lose any property?
Yes. My client lose a property. Very voluminous. It's alright, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's okay. Enjoy your week.
1.2 million naira week.
Before people
Living with the enemy.
I could have killed a lot.
Una mind, no go touch ground.
Mama, I want to kill you. What if it is? You want to kill your husband.
Oh, fire. If I die now for here, people will die for this street. It could reach 1 million.
Tinuba be me pata alatemada
You know, see Yankee.
Olajo ko tetele. Oh, bada joko tetele.
I am late Chief Igba Igubo.
Late Chief, you don't buy you now.
Your father know this.
My son, what do you want?
Poverty, why?
Woman.
Poverty. Poverty. 1-0.
Yay.
So poverty, you allow this small boy to call me my son.
Carry brado salaba.
Poverty. No, your father won't see.
My father not there, but I go feel runner. I get 12 months working experience on this shrine.
12 months working experience.
What did be this?
Appreciation.
You are dialing that number there, Abi? Yes, so no need. I'm the one that put it up there. Oh, hello, sir. I want to get the job, Abi. Yes, sir. Just like that. Thank you very much, sir. So, when can I sign a document so that I can start the job? Sign it. This handshake I'm giving you is enough now. Sir, are you sure? I could lie for you.
I would lie for you.
Now. Why they beg me? You get my open tailor shop for this place. You know what joint association have you? Now a machine I carry to the next time. Now your shop will go lock for here.
What does the law say? Section 40 of Veteran Constitution. Freedom of association. She has the right to join or not join. No be secret court.
You understand me? I don't go lie for you now.
What's going on here?
77%. Rubbish. You want to enter into an employment based on I go lie for you or we did together. What human beings cannot do does not exist. Let's share the grace. The grace of our Lord Jesus. What be this? What does the law say? Section 7 of the Labour Act. An employer must give the employee a contract of employment within 3 months of commencement of employment. And that contract must contain working conditions, your name and address, the place of that work, nature of that employment, the conditions, the benefit, the salary, wages. In fact, sick leave, maternity leave, and paternity leave if you care about men in your company.
But sir, you not tell me this one now. Who be this guy? Egbo, who are you?
You don't get sense at all.
Hey, but I've told you before now. I will lie for you. Let's see how it goes. Let's walk. Based on 5. 5 on 5.
Did they born you today? Did they born you today? This is a fiscal Ponzi scheme. It's just like when a man is toasting a woman. You not tell the woman that, babe, let's see how it goes. It's only a goat that does not that most times it is going nowhere. Say man.
Who you be, sir?
I'm your new employee. In fact, I came with my employment contract.
On top of organizer work?
For organizer, they accept
I go lie for you. I go work at it.
Sorry, sir. We are close to your house.
Mama, Orlu, Papa, what's do you?
Mama! What's happened?
Mama, as we come back from evangelism, he mistakenly put his leg for gutter, so he won't shift.
Hell!
Mama, please help me massage the leg. I know you can massage.
Hey, I know how to massage, but you know, say my aboniki don't finish.
Mama, that's not a problem now. Go inside my room in the other suit. You will see a balm in the pocket, one container. There's a balm inside. Bring it. You use it to massage my leg.
He made the suit.
Yes.
Sorry, I didn't. Man of God, don't worry. As she's massaging your leg, we are going to back it up with prayer in case it's a spiritual problem.
Jesus. Mama, stop that one.
Bring your leg, let me massage. Hold this thing, no, sister. Even me myself, I shock.
Never do such a thing.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Leave it. Members, let's share the grace. You a disgrace.
Nah, this thing, like cream. Cream for. Nah, oil, when they take this.
How did my church members know what this thing is? My God.
All of them are spoiled. All of them are
childish.
spoiled.
You are stupid.
Everybody, hands up!
Hands up. Oh, your phone, your bag, your money, everything.
Hurry up! It's that they joke with you. Hurry up! Where your phone? On the dates, your boyfriend?
My ex. I'm done.
And me say I'm done.
No, don't do that. See, relationship is all about sacrifice. Sometimes you have to take a risk. Even what I'm doing like this, I'm taking a risk.
See, nothing there outside though. When I better talk to yourself and resolve it before you lose your future. Your neighbor there around.
You won't go up neighbors. 5 years later.
No, we got those videos.
You guys go mad.
5 years later, he's still a thief.
Wow, are you serious? That's what I'm saying. This life is all about risk. You win some, you lose some. Imagine you have not taken this risk now. You'll not be marrying the love of your life.
Yes.
Can you imagine?
Are you serious? Wow.
Congratulations.
Happy married life. Thank you. Everybody get down.
2 years later. He's still a thief. 2 years later. Which kind of nonsense man is this one? 20 years later.
Everybody get down.
He's still a thief.
No, we got those videos.
Five years later. How many years later? So he's still a thief.
Everybody like.
What's going on here?
Who are you?
This is my house, and today's my parents' burial. Who are you?
This is my father. My father last week for me to come and rob this house with him.
Come here.
They don't fall. Can you imagine?
They finally became friends. Yeah. So proud of this kid.
Even for heaven.
Even for heaven. Even it's forever.
What's going on here?
Let's have it. Let's have it. That's it. That's it.
Take care.
Hey.
What are you doing with my wife?
She invited me.
To come and do what?
She said, "Conjure."
Now you won't kill her.
I go down.
Mark Angel.
Oh, Jesus.
They use the children they clean up. Can you imagine?
Let's have it.
Behave yourself. Behave yourself. I'm not going to pay for you. If you like, smile, dance. I'm not paying for you. Do you know how hard this country is? I think you should behave yourself. This man make I pay for you. See this when you pack, you thief.
This man's in a mumu. Don't be noisy. People are sleeping. Enemy of progress.
You're such a sweet boy. He's mine. Neighbor.
What are you question? What is it?
Not today afternoon, my dear. Neighbor. Not to know. I only came to remind you of your bills from the condoms that you took that you have not paid. And now you have brought another person. You still come and take another condom. You will not pay. It's not good now. Use and pay. Clients of the day, I greet you. Today is for you.
Wait, what's the meaning of this rubbish? Do you bring me here to embarrass me?
No, babe, no.
Don't ever touch me again.
But that's what you are here for now, so they can touch you. Gotcha.
But Auntie Kwese, say you happy, Nabi? Because of how much? How much condom? Because of condom! No problem.
Who they carry condom on credit now?
Why are you angry?
How you gonna carry condom on credit?
To anger. Short people, down to earth, not speak to anger. I'm a very peaceful woman, no?
You are dating a fashionista.
That thing now, stop it.
Let's take a selfie now. Before we get to where we are going. I don't like what you're doing.
Precious! Hey, what's up? This is what I saw you. I'm fine. Who is this man person? Why are you following me now? Are you okay? I'll call the SS security on you. Call them. What's wrong with you? Why are you following my girl? Who are you?
You know you forced me outside. What's this rubbish you're trying to do now? Are you okay?
Are you okay? Why are you following me now? Do I know you? Why are you following me? I don't know him. He's just following me around. I don't know him. They go. She said she don't know you. They go. Go. I don't know.
So because of his dress sense, you don't forget, you don't push your boyfriend for much.
Oh my God. Angela the knock. There's a car we run on. Hey, what you gonna be saying? I won't carry my wife go airport, you understand? Carry Precious come house. Make sure say she dey comfortable before I come back, This thing, I never even drink caffeine before. Mona just wait for me, I no go waste time. I will call you back, One of my side chick, they call me. Hello.
Hello, baby.
Baby, where are you now?
What happened is my house help just called me, say my pipe they leak for inside kitchen. Where I go throw away this thing now?
Is it that serious?
Water full everywhere. I don't time for that caretaker. In fact, when I get home, I will make sure I take the police and I will arrest him. Don't worry, my love. I will see you in 2 days' time.
This is my baby. I have a very perfect idea.
Baby, I'm home.
Hey! How is not today useless and unrepentant man?
What are you talking about?
What is this? I was also found it in your trousers when trying to wash them. Now, that's talking on. I blocked your eye because this is the content I'm catching you cheat on me. Speak!
Like this, they don't catch you. But nothing they happen. The book of life, 624, subsection 16. You rather die than commit suicide. Denier.
Child of God, tell her the truth. Only the truth shall set you free.
This guy true, you know, see God. She go shoot you for Nyash. I know her.
I said stop! Oh, babe, I don't like this. I'm not the one that owned that condom. For real. What happened was, you know Emeka and our friend where house burned.
Emeka's house got burned.
Emeka house got burned now. And I'm me. And I rescue Emeka come over inside that house. When I run enter the house, all my clothes burned, catch fire. Burning bush. Just now, I put Emeka for shoulder. I ran out of the fiery flame. Jesus Christ.
Even sit down the shout.
Wait. They try to catch up with the line. This guy is fast.
And when I come outside, one person they drive past, they can't see me. When he saw the heroic walk, then I pull the trouser give me. Jesus! And he carry one babe inside the car. No say they go knock that babe. Oh, the condom they don't use them.
No.
You see? I'm sure that when you go reach there, when you want to knock the babe, you go to find the condom.
Madam, let bygone be bygone.
Now why you go bygone?
I need therapy.
You need therapy, but it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. After my.
Emeka, I'm so sorry. I hate what happened to you. Your house got burned and you didn't even tell me.
My house burned? Yes! I lost everything. I lost my property. I lost my virginity. It's gone.
See, you can't any have friends with you.
And above all, I lost my life.
I'm so sorry. Did you die?
I almost gave up the ghost.
Very people.
No, baby.
Yeah, condom, baby.
See, you guys should beg him for me. I was already accusing him of cheating.
Yes, so you know I can never cheat on you, my love.
I don't even think I'm before. If who go one sleep with this kind of person, if they sleep with the mess this now.
Stop that now. I know the mess this now.
You do.
I know the mess this now.
It's true.
It's a lie.
Baby, it's true. When you sleep, you mess
I don't.
What did you say? What did you call him?
God have mercy upon us. What did you call me?
If you don't speak, I'm going to shoot him now. Who is she?
I that chick. I say my bring and come.
Baby, shoot him.
They sleep with him. I beg, only in our market.
How will I have a searching I'm not even aware of?
Everybody lie down.
Hey!
I am the police. Baby, I am here to arrest your caretaker. Frank, baby.
Because after you know me, you know say I mean they give you.
Frank, 7 days a week. Are you the one? I am his wife. Did you tell me you're married?
I'm married? Oh, yes. Who are you?
Jay. Who are me? Join them now. You all are messing with me.
Not be all of us. Now only him they mess. Where did they sleep?
Oh, this why. I thought I was the one that was crazy. You made me feel like I needed therapy. My kid. Only God knows how many kids you have out there.
Daddy what?
Daddy what? Is that in front of your child? Yes, sometimes. Especially when you're not around.
So, now born the pikin. He made born for her. Make I press it.
Leave her.
Let's end. Leave her. Once and for all. Let her hold on for me, man.
Now you be the question now.
Hey!
Jesus! Inshallah.
Angel don't faint.
What have I done?
You know what you do.
Rookie baby. Baby. Rookie, come, let's go to the room. Baby, come, let's go to the room now.
Mama, I don't tell you now. I don't feel the entire room like that now. So that sugar mummies that they do now. Sure, all them marrow where they do sugar mummies, so all of them they drive Benz. Sure. Now you done it for the past 2 months. Anytime I come, so come room. You never will tell me your plan for me. See me at the lean now. What's your plan for me? We go talk calm now. Come room. Can't bless now. All the country they use me the cure now. Sure.
Baby, why now? Why you just acting like this now? Eh? It's me, oh.
What is your plan for me now? Now would they marry now going to introduce me to this sugar mommy stuff? When they introduce you to me, they're not telling me say it's too much for me how you done it and all they conjure they use me to the cure. You never even tell me your plans for me.
Oh God.
The other day I tell you say I need good, you they tell me say man relax. But I come today now my entire room.
See, let me tell you. Don't worry. See, I prepare food. There's food in the kitchen. Like you will eat.
That's my age now. Food now come like scotch up. All the matter where they sugar mommy so not be best that they drive so. Your night they always a day different. Now food be my problem. They might chop finish go climb bed.
Baby, don't talk like this now. You're hurting my heart. Eh? Baby.
Sugar mommy they do love. Sugar mommy now love that sugar mommy they talk about. Sugar mommy love not me money they come with.
Baby, it's me, oh.
Come on.
Baby, it's me, oh. Baby.
Sugar mommy walk on Lagos coffee and I don't want to take the chop. I tell you they're hungry.
Baby, are you not enjoying the things we are sharing together? Baby, wait, hold on. Rookie baby, are you telling me right now that you're not enjoying my body, like enjoying every part of me? Rookie. Ruru. Don't do this.
I better leave Ruru, may you talk. You buy me the Benz.
Ruru, see, it will come at its own time. Don't push it.
Let's not go inside the room till it comes.
Ruru, but see, I gave you food, I gave you Isam, Ngolo to make you look fresh.
Food, now my age, they pass me. At this my age, so. Now food, now I'm going to talk about at this my age. Your fellow sugar mommy, now food, now that they give people.
Wait, though. See, best why I won't get my body for free. Wait, I give you my body. Eh? Oh my, see. Full package. I give you, make you even. This boy, you did ungrateful. For this monkey weather, eh? I go give my body for still give you food chop.
Why they introduce me to sugar mommy like you? Now this kind of sugar mommy, now they feed the drive Benz. They talk about food. At my age, my food now I'm going to talk about.
Rookie.
I bet sugar mommy, if you don't go do the normal move, no, I will go.
Rookie, not my blood making it fresh. Eh? Not my blood make you the fresh.
My blood they make you the fresh. They say your blood they make me fresh. Now this man is grateful.
You are so.
If you not go buy me the Benz, may you talk. Say not be this one now come Lagos go.
You are ungrateful.
Sugar mommy they tell me say you love me. Now me and Sugar mommy when they do love.
I wonder.
Sure.
But I picked you up, oh. I washed you. I washed you like this.
You wash me.
See how fresh you are.
You wash me.
Ungrateful idiots. You are so ungrateful.
Every time come bed. Only Sugar mommy. Now every time I should honey, I should not get money.
Just go, come on, live.
Now Sugar mommy like you now food now they give people. I mean, I best they buy the gift.
Shut the door and leave here.
About the one so I don't service you since you pay me mad.
This boy, you are mad. See, let me tell you, as you leave this door, I will call your friend to bring somebody else for me.
See somebody that person will cause suffer. Oh, you think so? Now see somebody that person.
I will give him pranks. Ngolo, snail.
No, not the fast food. You want Sugar mommy, not the fast food. I call Lagos, I can't find Sugar mommy. See the Sugar mommy, not the food. When the pass anything and she not get money, she not the release. I beg once I don't service you, give me the money.
Wait, oh. Now me dey wait.
You 200 man.
Wait, oh. You don't open eye for me. No, you don't open eye for me. Look me well, look me. You don't see this guy shape before.
My mate, now your age, now my mate, follow.
Now you go pay me.
Now your age, now my mate, follow. I don't know what I did with you.
Look, you go pay me.
I pay you.
You go pay me.
What the tick and I blame Maro. He gives me 7 times Sugar mommy, see we connect me give. You only pass any time she not get money. Which time Sugar mommy give this one? Now this one I call Lagos call you. Me and your girl go do I love you. Me and Sugar mommy go see do I love you. I'm not paying you. Only Sugar mommy and you not get money. On the place somewhere will be
Nothing with person Lagos you. Okay, you follow Sugar mommy because of Benz. I should not give you Benz again now. You don't the vex. They call her only Sugar mommy. Anyways, that's your business. Thanks guys for watching to the very end. Thanks for watching to the very end. I really appreciate it. What's your favorite part of the video? Let's have it right in the comment section. And please, as usual, make sure to check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them out, please. And subscribe if you're here to do that, people. Subscribe. And see you in my next video, guys. See you in my next video. Peace out.